So let's solve the sixth question now, which is kids with the greatest number of candies. Let's see this question. So in this question, we are given an array candies. This array consists of the number of candies which with each kid. This is our first kid. It has 2 candies. Second kid has 3 candies. Third has 5. Fourth has 1, and fifth has 3 candies. And we are also given some extra candies. In this example, we are given the extra candies is equal to 3. So we have to return a boolean array in which if the extra candies plus number of candies the kid was having is greater than the maximum number of candies the kids were having, so we will return true, else we will return false. So first of all, let's find the maximum number of candies in this array. So as we can see, the maximum number of candies is 5. So let's write the code to find this. First of all, int n candies dot length. First of all, let me define int max is equal to integer dot min value. So if our candies at I is greater than max, then max is equal to candies at I. When this for loop this thing will end, we will get the maximum among all the children. For this example, our maximum is 5. Now we will make a boolean array list. Now we'll make another for loop. And in this for loop, I will give extra candies to each and every kid and check if it was greater than max or not. If it is greater than max, then I will add true on that particular index, and if it is not greater than max, then I will add false at that particular index. So let's do this. So this part is also done. Now we will return our list. Let's try to submit this. Error less than n. So let's submit this. Actually, there were some errors. For example, this b is to be capital and I have written small b. So I've corrected it. Let's submit this code now. See, faster than 50%.